Yeah, so I have joined data analyst internship in a Unified Mentor Private Limited for 3 months, and it's very excited for me that I have joined this. I learned many things. I have built 4 projects, which is amazing. I enjoyed in working all that project, and the support of Unified Mentor is very good. They take the doubt class also, and they also help us in very proper manner. And I love to do internships in a Unified Mentor. And thank you to give this opportunity to me to do this internship, and I'm very thankful for Unified Mentor to give me this opportunity
so supportive.
to
Any doubts can be solved if I message
do
them
this.
or call them in any
Thank
time,
you.
which was a great thing
So
which makes every task
I have joined
easier.
data analyst internship
Thank you,
in a Unified Mentor Private
for
Limited
giving me this
for
opportunity,
3
and I
months,
recommend to all
and
the
it's
students to gain the work
very excited for me
experience and
that I have joined
real life
this.
experience.
I learned many things.
Thank you.